Hello dear students, welcome to Vision Pharmacy. In our today's video, we are going to identify the drugs which are astringents and drugs acting on central nervous system. So before we start with our today's video, please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting updates on upcoming videos. So let's begin students. ये पहला ड्रग है ब्लैक कैथेच्यू. Okay, so this black catechu, its synonym is katha or khair. It consists of dried aqueous extracts of heartwood of the plant, that is Acacia catechu, belonging to the family Leguminosae, and it is used as astringent and it is also used in diarrhea. Moving to the next drug. So yes students, this is pale catechu. Again it is an astringent. So looking about its synonym for pale catechu is Gambir catechu, and it is also dried aqueous extract of leaves and young twigs of shrub Ancaria gambir, and its family is Rubiaceae. It is used to treat bleeding of gums. Moving further on the drugs which are used or which are acting on central nervous system. So yes students, can you identify this drug? What is this? This is the image of hyoscyamus, and its synonyms are, you can also call it as hyoscyamus herb or hyoscyamus leaves or henbane, and it consists of dried leaves and flowering tops of the plant known as Hyoscyamus niger lin, belonging to the family Solanaceae. Okay, it is used as sedative, then expectorant, as an antispasmodic, and also as an anti-asthmatic. Okay, moving to the next drug. Yes students, what is this? This is the image of belladonna. Okay, it is a belladonna herb. Its synonyms are belladonna leaf and the most important, that is deadly nightshade leaves. It consists of dried leaves or the leaves and other aerial part of the plant Atropa belladonna, belonging to the family Solanaceae. It is used to reduce secretion of sweat, salivary and gastric glands, and it is also used as an antidote in opium poisoning. Moving to the next image. So yes students, you are very familiar with this one. What is this? This is the plant of Datura, right? So synonym for Datura is Datura herb, and it consists of dried leaves and flowering tops of Datura metal, belonging to the family Solanaceae, and it is used as a depressant of CNS and as an antispasmodic. Moving to the next drug acting on CNS. So yes students, can you identify this? What is this? This is the image of, yes, aconite. Okay, so this aconite, its synonym is monkwood, and it is dried tuberous roots of Aconitum nephilus. Its family is Ranunculaceae. Okay, it is externally used in treatment of neuralgia, then rheumatism as well as inflammation. Moving to the next one, that is, yes students, what is this? Can you identify? This is the image of ashwagandha. So ashwagandha, its synonym is Vidania roots. Also you can write as ashwagandha roots. Its biological source or before biological source, it is, or ashwagandha consists of dried roots and stems of Vidania somnifera, belonging to the family Solanaceae, and it is used as an hypotensive and depressant. It is also used as antispasmodic, anthelmintic as well as anti-tumor. Moving further, the next one, this is, yes, can you identify what is this? This is the image of ephedra. Synonym for ephedra is mahong, and it consists of dried young stem of Ephedra garaldiana and Ephedra nebrodensis belonging to the family Genetaceae, which is also known as Ephedriaceae, and it is used for early relief of asthma, in hay fever, and also in whooping cough. Moving to the next drug which acts on nervous system. So this is opium, right? Its synonym is raw opium and it consists of dried latex that is obtained from unripe capsule of the plant Papaver somniferum belonging to the family Papaveraceae, and it is used as analgesic, as hypnotic and narcotic. Moving to the next one. So yes students, can you identify this image? What is this image of? So this image is of cannabis. Synonyms for cannabis are Indian hemp, it is also called as cannabis indica or ganja, and it consists of dried flowering tops of cultivated female plant of Cannabis sativa lin belonging to the family Cannabinaceae, which is also known as Moraceae, and it is used as narcotic, sedative as well as analgesic. Moving to the next one. So yes students, can you identify from the image what is this? This is the image of Nux vomica and its synonym is crow fig or Semen strychni. You can also write as Nux vomica seed, and it consists of dried ripe seeds of Strychnos nux vomica belonging to the family Loganiaceae. It is used as bitter stomachic and tonic, CNS stimulant, respiratory and cardiovascular stimulant, and strong dog poison. So thank you students for watching this video till end. Thank you.